Hello, and welcome to this video introduction for TicketDesk 2. My name is Stephen Redd, and I'm the coordinator and lead developer for the TicketDesk project. In this video, I'm going to briefly describe what TicketDesk is and how it works. So what is TicketDesk? TicketDesk is an issue tracker, primarily intended for use by IT help desks. It is designed for internal users within a single organization and assumes a reasonable level of trust between your users and the help desk. It was built for the needs of medium to small-sized operations. TicketDesk aims to be the best issue tracker possible by remaining focused on just one thing: tracking issues. It doesn't get distracted on other things like project management, billing, or scheduling. This doesn't mean those other things aren't important. They are. It's just that an issue tracker isn't the best tool for handling those other concerns. TicketDesk expects poor user input. If you spend any time working on a help desk, you know that end users, no matter how well-intentioned, usually explain their problems very badly. To compensate, most systems require answering a million questions in order to submit a new issue. It's a nice idea. Get as much information as you can from the start, so when that issue gets to the help desk, they'll already know everything they need in order to address the issue right away. It sounds great, but it never seems to work that way in real life. End users won't know the answers to many of the technical questions, and other questions won't apply to the kind of issue they're reporting. It isn't their fault. They aren't technology professionals. They have no idea what their printer's model number is, or how to find out what service packs they have installed. No matter how many questions the issue tracker asks, the help desk learns not to trust anything, except what they put in the big description box. The description might seem like it was written by a deranged heroin addict, and it certainly will be in all caps. But you can trust that what the user typed here is as relevant and as accurate as the user knows how to make it. TicketDesk avoids this whole mess by simply not asking a lot of questions. The user should not feel like they're talking to the Spanish Inquisition every time they need to make a new ticket. Instead, TicketDesk expects that help desk will need to ask additional questions. So it concentrates on providing a simple and easy-to-use discussion board style commenting system. It encourages your users and help desk to talk and work together to resolve tickets. I know, crazy, right? Every help desk has policies, procedures, org charts, and rules to follow. TicketDesk strives to stay out of the way of your company's policies and procedures. Follow whatever process makes the most sense, and enact whatever policies you need. TicketDesk won't get in the way. But it also doesn't act as a hall monitor or a policy cop. It treats your users and staff like professionals. It uses a simple, static workflow that should be valid for every help desk, and it treats all users the same and all help desk staff the same. It also logs everything that happens to a ticket, which keeps most users honest. TicketDesk knows all about the work your help desk is doing, and it knows who did what and when. So managers almost always want to use the system for performance reporting. How many tickets does Billy resolve on an average day? What's Katie's average time to resolution? Then you start hearing terms like key performance metric and process restructuring. As a manager, I understand the management's desire to know how well their people are doing and who might be having problems performing. But as soon as you turn your help desk issue tracker into a tool by which their performance is measured, the system stops being useful as an issue tracker. Think about it. Your help desk is staffed by people that love puzzles. They're so good at solving problems that you even pay them to do it. Once they realize that the issue tracker is being used to track their performance, how long do you think it'll take them to game the system? Measure Billy by how many issues he closes in a day, and suddenly there's a flood of very easy to fix problems being reported. Measure Katie by how long it takes to resolve an issue, and suddenly she's marking every ticket resolved in under 5 minutes, whether it's fixed or not. The problem of measuring employee performance is called measurement dysfunction, and it is a very well-researched topic. I can't tell you how to measure employee performance without causing measurement dysfunction. What I can tell you is that any issue tracker that is used to measure employee performance becomes a database of lies almost instantly. No one will trust it, and no one will use it honestly. If you have a user that is foolish enough not to game the system to boost their numbers, then you've probably found the only person you need to fire. Obviously, they aren't very good at system optimization. TicketDesk may be simple and narrowly focused, but it is also a complete solution out of the box. TicketDesk can manage user accounts locally, or you can integrate it with Active Directory. Now that we know what TicketDesk is, what about the TicketDesk project? TicketDesk is an open source software development project. It's hosted at Codeplex and is free for personal or commercial use. If you want to expand on the system's features, Just grab the source and hack it up to do whatever you want it to do. We also have an active discussion forum if you have questions, and an online bug tracker if you have any problems. TicketDesk is an ASP.NET MVC application written in C#, and it's backed by SQL Server. You can use just about any version of SQL Server, including Express, LocalDB, or one of the full editions. As I mentioned before, TicketDesk uses a static workflow that should be valid in any help desk environment. The workflow is also very straightforward and easy to follow. So let's go through the standard workflow. First, someone submits a new ticket. This person is known as the ticket's owner. This results in a new unassigned ticket. Unassigned tickets are often said to be in the queue. At some point, someone on help desk will either take over the ticket or assign it to someone else on the help desk. The ticket is then an active ticket, and it's ready to be worked on by the assigned staffer. In some shops, staff will pull their own issues out of the unassigned queue, while others have specific people who are responsible for assigning the issues out. Once the help desk have completed work on the issue, they will resolve the ticket. The ticket moves into the resolve state. The ticket isn't quite done yet. The owner looks over the resolution. If they don't agree that the issue is resolved, they have an opportunity to reopen it for more work. If the owner accepts the resolution, then the issue is closed, and it moves into the closed status. Closed tickets can also be reopened, but hopefully that won't happen too often. This is the standard workflow for a ticket. As you can see though, the normal workflow is very simple and easy to follow. That concludes this video introduction. If you have any questions, visit the project's discussion forums at ticketdesk.codeplex.com. Thanks for watching.